The New York Sour is a classic cocktail that combines the tartness of a whiskey sour with a unique red wine float. This drink offers a delightful combination of flavors that's a little fruity, slightly sour, and completely delicious. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces rye whiskey or bourbon. Use quality whiskey for a smoother taste. 1 ounce lemon juice, freshly squeezed for the best flavor. 3/4 ounce simple syrup. Adjust to taste if you prefer your drink more or less sweet. 1/2 ounce red wine. A dry red wine works best for the float. Ice, for shaking and serving. Optional lemon twist or cherry, for garnish. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, jigger, strainer, rocks glass, bar spoon. Here are the instructions. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice. Add the rye whiskey or bourbon, lemon juice, and simple syrup to the shaker. Shake well until the mixture is well chilled, about 15 to 20 seconds. Strain the mixture into a rocks glass filled with ice. Using the back of a bar spoon, gently float the red wine on top of the drink by slowly pouring it over the spoon. Garnish with a lemon twist or a cherry if desired. The New York Sour is believed to have originated in the 1880s in Chicago, not New York. The addition of red wine to the traditional whiskey sour gives it a distinctive look and an additional layer of flavor.